It not have to be like that. If a man really love you and interested with you, he's not gonna break your heart. He doesn't want to hurt you. Oh, and Wagwan, like the live, like the live, like the live, like the live, subscribe to the channel, like the live. Yeah. Because I believe, and that's what I'm telling about environment. You see, environment, it makes no sense. You see, environment have a lot to do with you. Because you see, me, I used to be in an environment where I think it was okay for a man lick me and say I'm sorry. I think it was okay to be cheated on. We're going to work it out. And every time we work it out, we work out the same maths. And me like, but you can't love me and do this repeatedly. But I didn't know that I was accepting the